Hi, welcome to VN Instant Live Tips, where we share quick and easy tips to simplify your life. Today, I'm going to give some wonderful YouTube shortcuts while watching a video on desktop or laptop. Let's get started. Currently, I'm playing this video on laptop. So let's play this video. So if you want to pause the video, you can utilize like spacebar or K keyword from the keyboard. So that will give you the pause of the video. Then if you want rewind of the 10-second, click J, or fast forward, click L, or 5-second, click down arrows or right arrows will take the 5 second. These are the very effective keywords when you working on the while watching the videos on desktop or laptop. Again, you can start this video. So the other feature is there are keys like 129 and 0. If you click 0 keyword, it will take you the 0 to the starting of the video. 0, or when I click 9, it will take the 90% of the video here. See the 90% of the time of this video. If you click 0, it will take to the starting point. If you click 5, it will take the 50% of the video. Now this video, if you want to play the full mode, click F, or theater mode, click T. Or if you want to move this video on open mini player, click I. So that will very effective. While working on this open mini player, you can search the other things also. Okay.
I had the screen muted, no sound. I was talking to a very important man, happens to be here. And a
Like this.
very important guy, one of the most
Or
important
again,
people. And
if you come to the
I would
same
say the
video, just
country, actually.
for the
You know,
mute or
I was
unmute
president, and
key,
now it
use
looks.
M keyword, which will very helpful mute or unmute, or C closed caption or subtitles, or if you can disable, you can click again C. Or the last but not least, use like shift question mark, then you'll get some of the keyboard shortcuts on the YouTube. Okay, so that's where we can utilize these keywords while playing the videos on desktop or uh, laptop. Okay, then lastly, you can click like shift and it will take to the new video. Yeah, some of these are the keywords you can effectively use while playing the any YouTube videos. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you, team. Please subscribe on channel and also leave your comment in the comment section below. Thank you.